Someone else on the xHBxGaming channel suggested that I do a general game piracy tutorial, and I just decided why not. The first thing you will need is a program called uTorrent. To get it, you simply go to uTorrent.com and click free download for Windows. Then it gives you a file called uTorrent.exe. Simply open it, run it. Next, I agree. Unless you want those, go ahead and uncheck them. And add exception for uTorrent, start uTorrent when Windows starts up. You can uncheck that if you want. Head to next. Uncheck those two, but leave that one. Install. And there we go, installed. Okay, I guess I already have a torrent popped up in here. I'm just gonna delete that one. Okay, next you will need a program called PowerISO. That we will get from the Pirate Bay using uTorrent. Just search PowerISO. I'll put a link to the torrent I'm downloading in the description. PowerISO 4.7 by the thingy. Click download this torrent. Open the torrent when it comes up. Click OK. And now it's downloading. Wait until that gets done downloading. Once it's done downloading, right-click it and hit Open Containing Folder. Then right-click and hit Open on the file it highlights. Just click Install. It'll give you serials and another executable. Run the executable. Click Install. When it completes, it'll bring up a menu for you to select what files you want associated with it. Just click Close. Then it'll ask you to reboot. Just go ahead and do this. I'll see you when I've rebooted. Okay, now that you have PowerISO, go back to the Pirate Bay and type in the name of the game you wish to download. I'm using SWAT 4 as an example. Click SE to find the one with the most seeders. That will be the one with the fastest download. Click the top one, and make sure to read comments to make sure there are no viruses in it. It doesn't happen often, and when there usually is a comment saying there is one, it's simply a false positive. But be careful. Go ahead and click download this torrent. Once opened, it will start downloading, and then you just have to wait. I'll be back when this is done downloading to show you how to install it. Now that you've finished downloading your game, you will need to register PowerISO and mount your disk images. So open PowerISO and click Enter Registration Code. Now that you've got that up, go back to uTorrent and hit Open Containing Folder on PowerISO again. Then open the PowerISO folder you extracted it to earlier. Open the serials text file and select one of the following serials to use. Copy the name and serial into the boxes like so. If you entered everything correctly, it should say "Thank you for your registration." Click OK. Now that you've finished doing that, click Mount and then Mount Image to Drive. Then go to your Downloads folder and open the game that you downloaded earlier. Select the image file of the game you downloaded. In this one we have downloaded a game with 2 CDs. Working with multiple CDs is simple because you just switch them in the drive like you would with a regular CD. Go ahead and click Open. Then click the Start button at the bottom and click Computer. Then right-click the drive that you just mounted the image to, and click Install or Run Program from your media. Then it will pop up and you simply install the game like you normally would. Most games will ask for a serial number. Most of the time, the crack is put inside the disk image that you downloaded. Simply right-click and hit Open, then open Crack. There are normally two files, the executable for your game and a keygen. Right now we need the keygen. Just click Generate a few times to generate a key, then copy it into the installation. Then you should be able to install just fine. If your game requires multiple disks, in the installation it will eventually pull up a message saying, "Please insert disk 2." To do that, simply pop back over to Power ISO, click Mount again, and mount to the same drive you were just in. Then just select the image of the second disk, and hit Open. Then pop back over to the installation, and click OK. Then when it gets done installing, it will ask you to insert disk 1 again. Simply do what you did to insert disk 2. Some games will ask you to install stuff such as Games by Arcade. Most of the time you should just say no to this. Just make the desktop shortcut, there's no need for the README. Then click Finish. Click No to any sort of e-registration for any game. Once you've got done with the installation, it's time to install the No CD crack. Go ahead and exit any sort of menu like this. You can close Power ISO now too. And your keygen and pretty much everything open but the folder with the crack in it. Right click and hit Copy. Then you can go ahead and close that folder. Right click on the icon it put on your desktop and click Open File Location. Then simply right click and hit Paste and then hit Copy and Replace. Now you have successfully pirated a game. Congratulations, you filthy pirate. Since you've installed an OCD crack, you no longer need the disk images that came with the game. Open uTorrent again, and select the download. Remove and select delete.torrent plus data. Then click OK. Now you're completely finished and deleted all unnecessary data on your computer. You can now play the game and enjoy.